Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 18, our learning English challenge journey, speaking in front of the camera, next 90 day consistently. So we keep doing that 17 day, not include this today, but today is day 18, but we did uh 17 days. So I'm so really excited to be 18. I cannot wait to be 20. So I prepared some bunch of questions, IELTS questions. I'm gonna answer, explain, and try to speak like a pro. And also, I will ask you, I will ask you one question, and by the end of the video, no, I'm not gonna answer. You will answer and write down the answer at the comment. And yeah, we will see how it goes. And let's speak English together, practice, and tell us your English. Watch the video until the end. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. So the first question here is IELTS question. The first question where here is be easy, is not real so easy, but I will see. Do you prefer staying at home or going out, and why? Do you prefer staying at home or going out, and why? For me, in myself, I prefer to stay at home. I always really at home. Like it's not a good decision, but always I stay at home. I don't know why I'm doing that, but I just like to stay at home. So and sometimes when you stay at home all the day, you feel kind of stressed, like you like not going out. It's kind of really not good for healthy mindset, everything. So brain. So I'm not recommending you stay at home. Being indoor can lead to so many problems. So also going out. Sometimes I try to go out, go to the park, talk to some friends, listen to English podcasts there, see the nature. Park has some kind of screaming park, so it's weird. I love park. When I park, I feel so kind of happy, and yeah. So I prefer to stay at home, but I really, it's not a good decision. If you stay at home always, I recommend you to go out, put yourself out, go to the park, go for a walk, listen English podcast, and practice English while you're working at the street. Don't speak like alone, but try to speak normal, like maybe just listen yourself while you're explaining some questions. It works so much. The second question right here is, do you think people today eat healthy food? Do you think people today eat healthy food? Not 180% people they eat junk food, and yeah, they drinking soda. It's not good for healthy. They eating junk food, like really the people they love eating junk food. But for me, I'm not saying I eat food junk, but I mean healthy food. I eat healthy food, but I don't like junk food or popcorn is candies. I like if I get, but I'm not like it's not my favorite. If I go out, if I go to the store, I'm not consider myself to buy something like candies, or sweets, this kind of stuff. So, but a lot of people. The question is, people. Do you think people eat today health food? No, 80% people they eat chunky, drinking soda, all those stuff, and that's why you see so many diseases, so many people who are sick. They just eat that kind of food. So I think people they eat some unhealthy food always. So and a lot of people they still out there they eating a healthy food, and that's good thing really. So if you eat healthy food, stop right now and start eating healthy food. I don't know even what is healthy food. I don't know. I don't know that one. But yeah, the next question right here is what can what can people do to stay healthy every day? What can people do to stay healthy every day? Oh my god, this is a nice question, but they need to make exercise every day. They need people, they should exercise every day first. That is kind of staying healthy. They need to drink water or water. I say water, but it's kind of water or water. Okay. Anyway, people they need to drink water. And also what they need to stop eating candies and sweet things. People they need to eat fudges and fruities. They need to go to the bird. They need to work few meters a day. So that means you can say healthy. So the question is like that. I think, do I explain so well? That's true. If you eat fudges, stop eating candies, sweeties, and drink a lot of water, you will be healthy, no worries. So this is the last question where he is good for you, not me. You will answer this question at the comment. This question is, tell me about your favorite food. This is the question everybody can answer. Tell me about your favorite food at the comment. Answer this question at the comment. Tell us your English level at the comment. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and join us learn English together. Practice and learn everything, words about English, grammar, everything. Just learn. Consider yourself to be fluently by the end 2026. So thank you very much. Please have a good one. See you soon.